Corn is one of the most versatile and widely grown crops in the world. Though often thought of as simply a food source, corn can be used in a variety of ways. In this blog post, we'll explore 10 different ways to get the most out of corn. From cooking and gardening tips to ideas for crafts and projects, there's something here for everyone. So whether you're a longtime fan of corn or just looking to learn more about this versatile crop, read on for some great ideas. Produce plenty of ears of corn. Apply a balanced fertilizer, such as the 10th of October 10, when you plant the seeds. Side dress with additional fertilizer when the plants are about knee-high, and again when the tassels appear. Preserve corn for later use. Canning corn is a great way to preserve it for later use. You can can corn in a variety of ways, including whole kernel, cream style, and hominy. Freeze corn. Freezing corn is another great way to preserve it for later use. You can freeze corn on the cob or in kernels. Dry corn. Drying corn is another great way to preserve it for later use. You can dry corn in an oven, dehydrator, or air dryer. Make corn-based crafts. You can make corn husk dolls by following these steps. 1. Soak the corn husks in water for 30 minutes. 2. Drain the husks and tie them together at one end to form a head. 3. Stuff the head with stuffing material, such as straw or fabric scraps. 4. Tie the husks together at the other end to form the feet. 5. Decorate the doll with paint, ribbon, or fabric scraps. Weave a corn husk basket. You can weave a corn husk basket by following these steps. 1. Soak the corn husks in water for 30 minutes. 2. Drain the husks and strip off the inner fibers. 3. Weave the strips of husk into a basket shape, using a round or oval base. 4. Decorate the basket with paint, ribbon, or beads. Use corn to make ethanol. Ethanol is an alcohol made from fermented grain and other plant materials. It can be used as a fuel for cars and trucks. How is corn used to make ethanol? Corn is the most common grain used to make ethanol. The corn kernels are ground into a meal, and the meal is mixed with water to form a slurry. The slurry is then heated and fermented to produce ethanol. What are the benefits of using corn to make ethanol? Ethanol has a number of benefits over traditional fossil fuels. It is renewable, meaning it can be produced indefinitely. It also produces fewer emissions than gasoline, making it cleaner for the environment. Conclusion: there are many ways to enjoy corn, from eating it fresh to using it in crafts. By following these tips, you can get the most out of this versatile and delicious food. So get creative and enjoy all that corn has to offer.